Welcome to the in front of me MOTOROLA Defy, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's just first open Gmail application, and now click here on the right upper corner, so we can see that we are logged in into the accounts at the same time. And now, just to log out from one from these accounts, we should click here to manage accounts on this device. Now we can see that where the Google account settings they are activated, because to log out from the Gmail application we should log out from just Google account settings here, from the Google accounts in Google account settings. So let's just select the first one. For example, click here and tap to remove account, then click here remove account again. Now here in Google account settings we stay only with one account, and let's just go back to the application and let's see. Then we can see that in Gmail app we stay also only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.